how to winterize their sprinkler system. So I'm going to just do this really quick and share it with you guys on Facebook. Other people might have certain ways to do it. This is the way I do it, and this is the way most of your builders are going to explain to you. My system's a little bit different because mine did freeze the last time, and I've had to do some repiping, but essentially it's all going to be the same thing. So let me show you how to winterize your sprinkler system. So let me just turn my camera around and share this with you guys right quick. So like I said, mine is going to be a little different. The object of the game here is excuse me, I'm just fell down. We need to protect this, and so we need to drain it. Okay, so mine has a valve for the water coming in out of the ground. Going across your pipe is blocked. This is another valve. Going across is blocked. Going across vertically like this is blocked. Okay, so once you've blocked this water in and you've blocked this water in, you're going to stick your screwdriver in both of these little holes right here. I'm going to keep the cap on, but you put your screwdriver in, give it a quarter turn. Okay, just a quarter turn. Once you give it a quarter turn on both of these, water's going to just come out. It's not going to be a whole lot of water. You're draining the water in here because this guy right here, most likely if it freezes, you turn your sprinkler head on, you're going to have a lot of water coming out of that. And during the last freeze, this thing was like gold. You could not find these things anywhere. So again, if you have a bottom source of a valve coming out of the ground, shut it off like this. Block your valve off here as well, going across your pipe. Always remember, if the valve handle is going with the pipe, your flow is open. You have your valve open. You want to block it off. Block it off here, block it off here. If you have one there, block it off there. Open these little screws right here, a quarter turn. This one's open, that's closed. Okay, bleed it off, you'll be good to go. And then all you have to do then is I have a wool blanket, just cover it up, and you should be good to go.